Hello, everyone. My name is Jeremiah, here, part of the sales engineering team here at Forcepoint. And today, I would like to go over a use case that I have to help or guide one of our enterprise customer. So the big question was, where is my data? Or I would like to know where uh, which part of my network where our sensitive data resides. What I'm going to do on this video is first we will go over a quick whiteboard session on the high level overview of what we are trying to accomplish, what is the challenge, and what is the ultimate business outcome, and how the solution or our solution will be able to help out achieve or overcome this use case. And the second part of it is the live demo on how to set up the scans, the search, and get some meaningful results. So let us start. So let us start by the current situation of the customer. So they have data at rest. Okay, so we're gonna write, actually, you know what, instead of a database logo, I will go with a file share. Okay, and then also they have endpoints. Okay, that represents their endpoint. All right, so they have data here, and they also have data here. So that is their current scenario. Now the challenge is, or the question, where is my sensitive data? Okay, so I'm going to change color pen here, and I'm just going to choose that color. And this is how we can achieve this use case. Okay, number one, we have two ways to scan or look for data. Okay, number one is over the network. Okay, and another is endpoint. So basically, for the network piece, we can scan structured and unstructured data. Structured data. So you probably know the difference between the two. Structured is for database, and unstructured is file shares. Shares, structured, DB. And then for the database, as long as they have ODBC driver, or it will allow, the database will allow a ODBC connection, we'll be able to scan it for sensitive data. For the endpoint piece, it's just basically we call it F1E agent, which we install, okay, on the endpoint. So we're just gonna put the F1E here, install the agent here. It's gonna be sitting on this box, and then we can run a task on the manager to basically tell the agent to look for any sensitive data based on the policy. So now how do we manage all of this? So we have one manager, we call it FSM, Forcepoint Security Manager, which basically connects or manage these modules. Okay. Okay, so the FSM holds the DLP policies, and then it also a place where you can see all the incidents generated, and then this is where you also can do reporting. And then your analyst, they're gonna be on their laptops or desktops or whatever it may be, and they connect to the FSM to basically create policies, review incidents, set up reporting for high-level execs, et cetera, et cetera. So the network piece, we use quote-unquote crawlers, or basically they're pretty much scanners. They are just bunch of servers, Windows, and then we install our crawlers. Okay, so we're just gonna draw line here. Okay, and then these crawlers, we're just gonna put letter C here. These crawlers can help each other to speed up the process on searching for any sensitive data on this file share, right? They're just gonna do that. And cross-reference with the policy that your analyst created, okay? Same thing with the FSM. So the endpoint, same policy. You don't have to recreate the wheel. As soon as you create the policy, you can apply it on everything. And it will be clear, and you will see what I'm talking about when I create the task on the demo part of the solution. At a high level, that is pretty much it. You have a manager, you have the network module that manages all the crawlers, to scan the data in the network. Okay, we can do structured and unstructured, and then also for the endpoint, it's pretty much the same thing. And the process actually looks the same. If you can do the network scans, or you can set up the network scans, it is the same process. It's similar, and you will see what I'm talking about. So I think that is it for the whiteboard. So we'll jump now to the live demo.